Mechanic Shiv. I'm doing a timing belt on a 2.8 Holden Colorado. These the Thailand delivered model sold in Australia. It may be similar for other countries. It's got the VM Motory engine. So on the left hand side of the wheel well, we want to lock up our crank first. Okay, so I want you to put up a magnetic torch on the starter motor just so you can see what you're doing, and we're going to zoom in here. And basically what I've got going up there is two universal joints, 3/8 up to Allen key. Now it's going all the way up through the chassis and it's coming out here. Alright guys. Okay, so that's the setup I've got going, and that's how I will be taking off my thread in there. Okay, so once you take that bung out, I want you to get your mate to go and rotate the engine. You can even get it up to its mark, and then I want you guys to go from this direction here. You can either slide in here or you can slide it between the control arm through here, go out from here, and you can actually go all the way in like that. Okay, so that's the trick to get this thing in. Once I have it in, I'll show you how it looks like. Alright, how you going guys? Mechanic Shiv. So what I've ended up doing is I've left the bottom pin alone. I've gone ahead and lined up my cam first. Okay, so I've lined up my cam, and then this mark, as soon as it hit here, it hit here. Because you could go 2 times around the crank and it could still be off here. So you're going to make sure it's TDC on the cam as well, where the number 1 valve is obviously closed. Okay, so once you get that in there, you go underneath and put the pin in. You'll notice that if you get it right, the pin will go in and tighten up. If it doesn't tighten up, what you want to do is get your 24mm and wiggle that. Give that a wiggle till it slides into the thread. And then from there you will be 100% that it's fully locked into place, because it can still slide in and it won't lock up. If it doesn't go on the thread, that means that there's something wrong. And the thread will be a bit rough because they do have a Loctite from the factory. Okay, so just be wary of that. If you're not cross threading it, it is going in easy. Okay, and just for reference, I've also put a mark here. I'll put one here, and I'll put one on the injection pump right there. Now the factory marks are here. Okay, they look off, but they're not. And yeah, so we'll go from there, and yeah, should be alright.